Hey everybody! So today's video is going to be a clean with me video, but I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I've got a lot to do, both in the house and I've got a lot of errands to run. And so I don't have a lot of time to just dedicate to cleaning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes in each room. And I'm just going to get done what I can in those 10 minutes. If I don't get it all done, it'll just have to wait. I'll just have to do it at a different time. I actually do this when I'm really not motivated to clean. If I set a timer for 10 minutes and think, okay, it's only 10 minutes, I can do anything for 10 minutes. It will eventually snowball and you'll just keep doing more and more and more. But if it doesn't, that's okay too. If you don't have any motivation that day and all you get done is one set of dishes, one sink full of dishes, that's more than you would have done if you didn't do anything that day. So just remember, do what you can because something is better than not doing anything at all. So let's do this together. Let's set a timer for 10 minutes in each room and just run around and do as much as we can, and whatever we don't get done, we'll have to wait for later. So, all right, let's do this. Okay, here we go. Let's do the kitchen first. So let's set our timer, 10 minutes, and go.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the worst in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us.
I have less than a minute left to hurry and wipe down the countertop, so let's go.
Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try.
Do you guys hear that? Look, I only got one countertop wiped down and not this side, but it's okay. Now we're gonna tackle this room. Okay, here we go. Let's set another timer, 10 minutes. Let's go.
It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever.
You guys, look at that. Time to spare. It only took me 4 minutes to just straighten that area. So with this leftover 6 minutes, I'm just gonna finish wiping off the countertops and appliances in the kitchen. it's time. Time's up. I didn't get the dishwasher wiped off, but that's okay. So let's move on to the next room. Okay, the next room we're going to do, or I'm going to do, is the master bedroom. We had a little sleepover in our room with the kids. So, and then if I have a little bit of time left over from doing this, I will put in a load of laundry. So let's see what we can get done. Let's go.
I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Looking like, oh, we did all that in under 10 minutes with 47 seconds to spare. That load of laundry, of course, was fast just because it was rags and I didn't have to, put a lot in. So, all right, let's do the next room. Okay, here's the next room. I'm going to tackle the bathroom. All right, let's see how much we can get wiped down and cleaned in 10 minutes. Let's go.
I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol, just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are.
Wow, for some reason that time went by way faster than the other times I've put up, but I was still able to get all of this countertop, sinks cleaned, the toilet wiped down around the outside and base, and the garbage can wiped down, and the floor picked up and straightened. So better than nothing. Okay, so I just happened to look at my watch. I only have about 25 minutes before I have to head out the door and do those errands. So I want to straighten this area behind me, the entryway, and then right when you walk in my garage door, I have some lockers and cubbies. I want to straighten that area, and then if I have a little bit of leftover time in those 25 minutes, I'll fold the towels that are in the dryer. So we're on a time crunch, but let's see if we can do it. Let's go.
like a ghost in my mind. I can't escape you. I need to believe it was right letting you go, 'cause you are like a ghost in my mind. I wanna escape you, but I do not believe it was right letting you go. I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it breaks my heart. You're still here, though we're apart. I'm seeing your face in my dreams. I can't escape you. Like a movie on repeat, the scenes just go on. I'm hearing your voice in my dreams. I wanna escape you. I really think I made a big mistake. I want you to know I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me?
I am finished. So my house is not perfect by any means, and it's not deep cleaned or anything like that, but it feels so much better than it did earlier. So I just want to tell you that if you don't have any motivation, try the 10-minute timer, and I promise it'll kind of put a fire under your bum and make you want to bust it out and get things clean. Also, you'd think that I would have less energy by doing all the things that I just did, but it actually got my blood pumping, and I feel like I have way more energy than I did before. So just try it. Let me know if it helps you get motivated. I hope it does. And thank you so much for watching and being here with me today. And I hope to see you in the next video. I post videos every single week. I do lots of fun cooking recipes, organization, cleaning, things like that. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it